Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you on how to find your PIN in Roblox. First of all, open Roblox in your device. Log in with your account. On the far right corner you can find the more options. Click on it. Scroll down. Then you'll find help and safety. And then after that press help. Then on the search bar, type in, I forgot my PIN. Search this option and you'll find the exact option below. Press on it. You go to this page where you'll find the contact form. Press on the contact form. Then you'll be led to the official Roblox website, where you need to give in some details such as your date of birth and also other informations. Click on continue and here is the contact information like your username, your first name, your email address, and also the issue details. Make sure to also put in the description of your issue, and it may take 12 to 48 hours for Roblox to reply to you.